Alright, let's do another problem. So before going to that, in this problem our order of integration was dy dx. So the question normal question is there, if the order of integration is first with respect to x, then with respect to y, what's the difference? So if first with respect to, or dx dy is my first with respect to x, then with respect to y is my order of integration, instead of drawing a vertical line, I have to draw a horizontal line through my region R. So imagine a line through the region R. Now look at, see, if the line, if you are drawing here, then it will ends at x is equal to 1 and leaves at x is equal to 2. But if you are drawing a line here, the line ends at x is equal to y by 2, this is y is equal to 2x, or x is equal to y by 2 and leaves at x is equal to 2. So in this problem, and usually y varies from, to draw all this, to include all such vertical horizontal lines, I have to vary my y from 1 to, actually this is 4. So y variation is 1 to 4, and but I have to split my region R1 and R2, and in these two regions you have to find the x limits and y limits separately, and at that time this is equal to double integral over R1 f plus double integral over R2 f. So you have to do the problem in that way. So let's do another problem. Integrate fxy is equal to, it's on the board, fxy is equal to x square plus y square over the region in the first quadrant bounded by the lines joining 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0. So it will be a triangular region. So let us sketch the region first. Yeah, this is my origin 0, 0. Maybe this is 1 unit. So they have the point 1, 0, and here you have the point 0, 1. So my region is the region bounded by the lines, triangular region obtained by joining the points, these points. So this is the line joining 0, 0 and 1, 0, and this is line joining 0, 0 and 0, 1, and this is line joining 1, 0 and 0, 1. So this is my region of integration. Okay, again how to fix an order of integration. So let me go for first with respect to x, then with respect to y, that is my order of integration. But before going that, I have to label my bounding curves. This is a line joining 0, 0 and 1, 0. This is nothing but x is equal to 0. This is a y axis, so the line equation is, I'm sorry, this is y is equal to 0 and this is the y axis, so x is equal to 0. This is a line joining 0, 1 and 1, 0. You know the 2-point form for a straight line joining 2 points. So this is line y is equal to 1 minus x, or x is equal to 1 minus y, whatever it is, no problem. So this is a line joining 0, 1 and 1, 0. Again my order of integration is dx dy. So what I have to do is, I have to draw a line in the increasing direction of x. It ends at x is equal to 0 and leaves at x is equal to 1 minus y. So my limits are 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 minus y, and it is very clear that to include all such lines through the region R, y has to vary from 0 to 1. So y variation is 0 to 1. So my integral is double integral over R fxy dA is equal to integral y limits 0 to 1, x limits 0 to 1 minus y, x square plus y square dy dx. So let's start integrating. So this is integral 0 to 1. I have to do this integral first. Now this is x square y plus y cube over 3 from 0 to 1 minus y dx. This is equal to integral 0 to 1. Yeah, this is x square into 1 minus y plus 1 minus y the whole cube over 3 dx. dx by dy, dx dy an order of integration എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ വന്നപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക്